Conscious discipline is founded on one basic principle. We are all in this together. It utilizes the power of unity, and at no other time in our world do we need that more than right now.
Welcome to the beginning of an amazing journey that will transform your life as an educator. During this 7-day experience, we're going to create a community based on safety and connection and problem solving. And because of that community, you're going to be able to experience the true power of conscious discipline.
By the end of our time together, you will know deeply the 7 skills and powers of conscious discipline and be confident in your ability to respond to life's events instead of react.
By learning the brain state model and internalizing the 7 powers of self-regulation, you will radically shift your perception of the world, which gives us a great sense of control and resilience in our daily life.
That's the beginning of self-regulation. The ability to notice and regulate our thoughts, feelings, and actions in service of a goal. So coming to this week-long institute, the Conscious Discipline Institute, you're going to come, you're not just going to sit and get information, you're going to practice, and you're going to have some fun. You're going to meet lifelong friends, like-minded people that are brain builders, that are co-regulators, just like you, and you're going to practice it, you're going to experience it, and you're going to have lots of fun.
So this conference is geared for you, who makes resilient children resilient adults. And it's time that we as adults dug deep and brought forth all that we can muster and offer it up. And we're here to help you as educators do just that. I hope you join us, because this is a unique event at the perfect time, and I don't want you to miss it. Join us. We got